random experiments. First one, if one coin is tossed, S equal to H comma T. S equal to H comma T. Choices are 2, head and tail. N of S, how many choices? 2. If 2 coins are tossed, total choices are HH, HT, TH, TT. So these are the 4 choices. Total choices equal to 4. Next, if 3 coins are tossed, the total choices I would like to write our total choices. HH, 3 coins, HHH, HHT, HTH, HTT, THH, THT, TTH, TTT. So these are the 8 choices. Total number of choices equal to 8. Similarly, if n coins are tossed, total choices are equal to 2 power n. So if one coin is tossed, 2 power 1, 2. 2 coins are tossed, 2 square, 4. 5 coins are tossed, 2 power 5, 32. 10 coins, 2 power 10. Similarly, n coins are tossed, 2 power n. Next, if one die is rolled, then choices 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these are the choices. So total choices, number of choices 6. N of S equal to 6. If 2 dice are rolled, then the choices N of S equal to 6 power 2 equal to 36 choices exist. If n dice are rolled, total choices are 6 power n. So if 3 dice are rolled, 6 cube, n dice are rolled, 6 power n. So these are the number of choices does exist. Okay, so these are important while we are doing number of coins, number of dice, number of coins are other than 1. These are used, total number of choices, because probability favorable number of choices, total number of choices is definitely required. Okay, next, so we will discuss problems based on playing cards. We will discuss in this playing cards. Before that, you must get idea about cards, playing cards. Okay, so I am taking playing cards structure first. Cards. Total how many cards in a set? Total one set there exist 52 cards. In 52 cards, so half of the cards are black color, half of the cards are red color. So black 26 cards, black cards 26, red cards 26. So black cards 26 and red cards 26. Okay, if in this black cards also 2 types. So the 2 types are black, spade and club. So spade cards 13, club cards 13. Next, in red also 2 types, hearts, diamonds. So heart cards 13, diamond cards 13. So all these 13 cards are A, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, J, Q, K. These are the 13 cards. So these are the 13 cards. So these 13 cards, spade, club, heart, diamonds. All these 13 cards are these. So in A to 10 all containing leaves, but J, Q, K are called Jack, Queen and King. These three cards of each set representing a picture on the card. So J contains Jack, Q containing Queen picture, K containing King picture. Total, so 3 pictures in each set. How many sets? 4 sets. 4 into 3, 12 picture cards. 12 picture cards or image cards. Picture cards or image cards. So these are 12. Okay, so this structure we need to remember. So this is important. So if we know this structure only, we can able to answer the questions. Okay, so we will discuss some sample problems on cards. Okay, before that I want to discuss it one more time. So cards, total number of cards in a deck of cards, single deck of cards is 52. Out of these 52 cards, half of the black color, half of the red color, 26 black, 26 red. In 26, all 52, among these 52, there are 4 sets. So 4 parts, those are in black 2, red 2, black spade and club, red heart and diamond. Okay, all these containing 13 cards. So spade containing 13, club 13, diamond 13, heart 13. These 13 cards are A, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, J, Q, K. So among these 13, J, Q, K containing some image or picture on the card. So those are called image cards or picture cards. So these 3 are in each set, total 12 picture cards. Okay, now we will discuss some problems on these cards. Okay. Page number 318, do these problems I want to discuss. So you have a single deck of well shuffled cards. You have a single deck of well shuffled cards. Okay. Then first one, what is the probability? What is the probability that the card drawn will be a queen? So actually first we know how many queens does exist. So we have picture cards J, Q, K, among queen only one, but this queen in each set 1, 2, 3, 4 sets. In 4 sets, one of the queen, total queens equal to 4. So queens 4, total queens. So probability of queen equal to 4 out of total cards equal to 52. If we simplify, 1 by 13 is the answer. Next, second question. What is the probability that it is a face card? Okay, if you observe face cards or picture cards, how many? 3 into 4, 12 picture cards. So face cards 12, P of face cards equal to total face cards 12 by total cards equal 52. Cancel with 4, 3 by 13. Next, what is the probability that it is a spade? What is the probability that it is a spade? How many spades? Spade cards. So these are the types. In this spade cards 13. So probability of spade equal to favorable choices 13 out of total choices 52. 13 cancel 1 by 4. Next, what is the probability that is a face card of spades? Okay, what is the probability? that is a face card of spades. Okay, so if we observe face cards 12, so J, Q, K, these are the face cards. These three face cards in spades, clubs, hearts, diamonds. In spades, how many face cards? 3. So face cards of spades, how many? 3. Probability equal to 3 by 52. Next, what is the probability that it is not a face card? What is the probability that it is not a face card? How many face cards? 13. Other than 13, remaining are not face cards. So not face cards, not a face cards. How many? Out of 52, other than 13, remaining 39. Probability equal to 39 by 52. So cancel with 13, 1, 3 by 4. Already face probability of spade 1 by 4. Probability of not spade 1 minus 1 by 4. Complementary. So 1 minus 1 by 4 equal to 3 by 4. So this is the solution. Okay. Next. Next one, exercise 13.1. Complete the following statements. Exercise 13.1. Complete the following statements. Complete the following statements. First one, the probability of E plus the probability of the event not E, of the event not E dash equal to dash. Okay, so the event either it occur or do not occur. So one of them must occur. So this is the event of probability P of E. This is not E is nothing but P of E complement. So what we know, P of E complement equal to 1 minus P of E. P of E complement bringing E outside, we will get 1. Next, second, the probability of event. The probability of an event is that cannot occur is dash. Such event is called. Okay, the probability of an event that cannot occur is dash. Such event is called. The probability, okay, an event that cannot occur is called impossible event. The probability is equal to 0. Next, third, probability of an impossible event is equal to 0. So the probability of an event, that is certain to happen, is dash. Such event is called such event is called dash. Okay, so the probability of an event that is certain, that is certain means that is compulsory happen, that is called a certain event or sure event. Certain event or sure event. The event of sure event is equal to 1. Definitely it will happen. Next, the sum of probabilities. The sum of probabilities. The sum of probabilities of all elementary events. Of all elementary events. Of an experiment. Is dash. The sum of probabilities of all elementary events is always equal to 1, because if all elementary events together is called sample space. Sample space is nothing but certain event. The probability of certain event is equal to 1. If we are adding all the probability, sum of probability is always equal to 1. Next, fifth, the probability of an event. The probability of an event is greater than or equal to is greater than or equal to dash and less than or equal to dash. So the probability is always greater than 0 and less than 1. Greater than or equal to 0 and less than or equal to 1. Next, second question. Which of the following experiments? Which of the following experiments have equally likely outcomes? Have equally likely outcomes. Explain. First one. So a driver attempts to start a car. A driver attempts to start a car. The car starts or does not start. A driver attempts to start a car. Actually, the person is attempting to start a car, so most probably it is start. So if you observe whatever so many vehicles, so whether the vehicles are trying to start, it will start. Seems to be there are two choices, either it start or do not start. But so seems to be it is equally likely having two choices, but so the choices of starting is greater than the choices of not starting. So automatically it is not equally likely. So seems to be it is equally likely, but it is not equally likely. So most probably car will start. So it is not equally likely. Okay, most probably it is start, so it is not equally likely. Next, second, a player attempts to shoot a basketball. She or he shoots or misses. The shot. So a player is attempting to shoot a basketball into the ring. So there are two choices, either it shoot or misses. the slot. Okay, so here also we are having two choices, but seems to be it is equally likely, but these are not equally likely, because so it is purely depends upon the skill of the player. If the player is capable, depend upon the skill. If the player is skillful, then he can able to shoot. The possibilities are more. If the player is less skillful, then the choices are less. So it is not equally likely. It is purely based on skill of the player. Next, third, a trial is made. A trial is made to answer true or false question. To answer true or false question. The answer is wrong or right? The answer is right or wrong? Okay, so a trial is made. Okay, one question is given true or false. Okay, so true or false type question is given. There are only two options. So one of them is correct. Okay, so even though we don't know the question, so if we attempted the question with either yes or no, the choices to get correct right is 50%. So either it is true or false, having equal choices. So it is equally likely because equal choices. Because equally choices. Previous also equal, but so here the possibilities are slightly either it is more or less. That's why not equally likely. But here it is so the possibilities for true or false are equal. But here so slightly it will be varying. Okay, that's why these are not equally likely, but it is equally likely. Next, a baby is born. Fourth, a baby is born. It is a boy or a girl? It is a boy or a girl. Okay, so a baby is boy. There are exactly two choices. We can't judge till the end who it is. So either it is boy or girl. There are exactly two choices, and the choices are equal. So that's why it is equally likely. It is equally likely. Equally likely. So because equal choices. So equal choices. Okay. Next, third question. If P of E equal to 0.05. If P of E equal to 0.05, what is the probability? What is the probability of not E? What is the probability of not E? So already we know the sum of probabilities of event E and not E is equal to 1. So P of not E we denote with P of E complement 1 minus P of E equal to 1 minus 0.05 equal to 0.95. So this is the probability of not E. Next, fourth question. A bag contains lemon flavored candies only. Lemon flavored candies only. A bag contains lemon flavored candies only. Malini takes out Malini takes out one candy without looking into the bag, So she is picking one candy without looking into the bag. What is the probability? That she takes out first one, orange flavored candy. Second, lemon flavored candy. Okay, so a bag contains completely lemon flavored candies. So all the candies are lemon flavored. Okay, Malini blindly takes out one candy without looking in it. So what is the probability that she taking out orange flavored candy, lemon flavored candy? So whether she look or not. So all containing only lemon flavored candy. So if she picked one candy, it should be definitely lemon flavored. There won't be choice of orange flavored. So orange flavored candy is impossible. Lemon flavored candy is certain event. So the probability of orange flavored candy it is impossible. That's why the probability is equal to 0. Next, lemon flavored candy definitely it will happen. So the probability of lemon flavored candy is equal to 1. So this is of course these are the examples of certain event and impossible events.